Dear students, I am your chemistry teacher, Sheikh Sir. Students, the title of chapter number 4 in chemistry textbook is Chemical Thermodynamics. Now, we have to learn about today chemical thermodynamics. But before studying about chemical thermodynamics, you have to recall few things. For example, you have to recall about the term energy. Students, now we are at the first slide. The title of the chapter is Chemical Thermodynamics. And before we are studying about the chemical thermodynamics, we have to recall few things. For example, you have to recall the term energy. What is energy? Energy is ability or capacity to do work. Energy exists in different forms. There are different forms of energy. Which different forms of energy do you know? The different forms or types or kinds of energy are chemical energy, nuclear energy, magnetic energy, mechanical energy, heat energy, sound energy, wind energy, etc. So we have seen there are different forms of energy. Okay, and energy is required to perform the work or ability or capacity to do work is the energy. What is work? Work means moving something, or work is lifting something, or work is warming something. Students, now you have to recall the law of conservation of energy. What is the statement of law of conservation of energy? What is the statement of law of conservation of energy? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, although one kind of energy can be converted into another kind. We will see now that simple familiar examples of conversion of one kind of energy into another kind. In photosynthesis, light energy of sun is converted into chemical energy, isn't it? In firecrackers, stored chemical energy is converted into साउंड एनर्जी. दिवाली में जब हम फटाका जलाते हैं तो क्या होता है? फटाके में जो स्टोर्ड केमिकल एनर्जी है उसका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किसमें होता है? साउंड एनर्जी. Students, we are using the dry cell. See, I'm showing you the dry cell in torch. When we are applying torch to get light, what happens actually? The stored chemical energy in the dry cell is converted into light energy. Along with this, student, you should know also when one kind of energy disappears, then at the same time an equivalent quantity of another kind of energy makes its appearance. ज्यावेळेस एका प्रकारची ऊर्जा नाहीशी होते त्याच वेळी तेवढ्याच क्वांटिटीची दुसऱ्या प्रकारची ऊर्जा प्रकट होते. व्हॉट इट मीन्स स्टुडंट्स? देर इज quantitative relationship between different forms of energy. Different types, kinds, forms are the equivalent words. Kind, type, forms are the equivalent words. हे समानार्थी शब्द आहेत. कधी वर्ड काइंड येऊ शकतो, कधी टाईप येऊ शकतो किंवा फॉर्म सुद्धा येऊ शकतो. नाउ by using this discussion we are able to define the term thermodynamics. What is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is the branch of physical science which deals with study of different forms of energy, the interconversion of different forms of energy, and the quantitative relationship between different forms of energy. Thermodynamics is a Greek word. It is actually combination of two words, thermo and dynamics. Thermo means heat and dynamics means flow. So in science, thermodynamics means flow of heat. Heat is one kind of energy or one type of energy or one form of energy, and it is very important type of energy. Why? Because every type or every kind of energy ultimately at the end converts into heat energy. But students, the title of chapter is chemical thermodynamics. So obviously question arises, what is chemical thermodynamics? Let us move to the next slide to get the answer. Chemical thermodynamics is the branch of thermodynamics or branch of physical science which deals with study of energy changes occur during the chemical transformations. केमिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस में जो एनर्जी चेंजेस होते हैं उनकी स्टडी या पढ़ाई किसमें होती है? केमिकल थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में. Now we have to see which important terms are used in the thermodynamics. The three important terms used in the thermodynamics are the system, surroundings, and boundary. These terms are actually basic concepts of the thermodynamics. To understand about system and surroundings, you have to learn one mathematical equation which is given at the bottom of the slide. Read that mathematical equation. The universe is equal to the system plus the surroundings. The combination of system and its surrounding is the universe. Or we can say system and surroundings together form the universe. Or in simple words, when some part of universe is system, then remaining part of the universe is surrounding. Now, using this discussion, we can define the terms system and surrounding. What is a system? A system. System is the part or portion of the universe which is under thermodynamic consideration. For example, suppose we are studying, we are doing the thermodynamic study of a chemical reaction between 20 ml copper sulfate solution and 1 gram zinc powder. Then 20 ml copper sulfate solution and 1 gram zinc powder make our system. System may be very large or it may be very small. System may contain one substance or it may contain two or more substances.